What is amazing when you run a sanctuary, what I think is very, very unfair, is people's easy to send monkeys to the sanctuary because we're a non-profit organization. But as soon as that monkey enters the gates of the sanctuary, or as soon as we collected the monkeys, the people's responsibility has ended. That's where the responsibility ends. And it is very, very unfair when 6 months down the line, you see that specific person who's got monkeys here buying a brand new motor vehicle, a new car, but they can't afford 250 Rand a month as in support of their monkeys that's here. It might come across as a negative to some, but it is unfair. We think it's unfair. Yes, we're a non-profit organization, but we also have to get funding in all the time for new enclosures. People don't help with new enclosures, people don't help with veterinary bills, and yeah, it becomes quite taxing. As a non-profit organization, we go on live on TikTok, but we don't get nearly as much gifts as many of the other creators that's actually out just to exploit people. We are doing it for the right and ethical reasons. So guys, we're reaching out to you guys. Please, if you've got monkeys here, consider donating a monthly amount of 250 Rand if you've got a Marmoset here, or 450 Rand if you've got a Capuchin here. That's like the minimum we can ask of you. Behind us, you will see there's temporary cages, small cages. For the meantime, until we can get funding in, we have to keep the monkeys in that cages, and we need bigger space for them. And that means we need bigger enclosures. A big enclosure costs about 10,000 Rand for a Marmoset. That way we can provide nice ample space for them. Yeah, so if we go on TikTok, it's not begging. We do not beg. It is what it is. We are a non-profit organization and we rely on funding to make it happen. So please help us, help the monkeys. At the end of the day, that is what it's all about. Other people's monkeys, problem monkeys becomes our problem. And that is why we're here. We are passionate about monkeys. We truly care for monkeys. So we're just a little bit of a problem with the donations. Nobody helps us with donations. And that is becoming a problem. We've had a very taxing month, very busy month and a half. And there's 4 more Capuchins coming. So guys, we're reaching out to you. Please help, and then we can help the monkeys better. Thank you very much.